Are you new to forex trading and you are finding it difficult to know how to use your trading view very well to analyze your chart and to understand what market is doing? Don't worry, if that is your problem, we are going to solve that in this video, because in this video I'm going to explain and I'm going to show you how to use your trading view to analyze your chart, because it's trading view that most of the traders use to analyze the chart to know what market is doing at a particular time. You get? So without trading view, and if you don't know how to use a trading view as a trader, as a forex trader, that is a very big problem. So stick with me, let me show you, let me take you through the interface of TradingView, how TradingView looks like and how to use it. So if you go to your browser, and type tradingview.com. As you can see, I have it here already because it's what I normally use. I have it here already, TradingView. So let's just click it. It will open. Once it's open, you see this one, this is the one you will click. So you see this one, that is the one you will click. So you click on this one. It will open. So this is the interface of TradingView. This is how TradingView looks like. What you are seeing here, this is how TradingViews look like. This is what traders use to analyze charts. So as you can see here, this is where you will have your time frame. You can see we have 1 minute to 24 hour. If you click this drop down button here, arrow here, let me bring my arrow to here. If you click it, you will see other time frame. So you have seen it. These are many time frame that you can use. You can see this one I start are the one I normally make use of, to analyze the market. But as a newbie, as a beginner, the only 2 time frame that you need to use is only the 4 hour and the 1 hour. You don't need many more time frame. You don't need many much time frame, because each time frame tells a different story. So if you start using many time frame, you will get confused based on what you will see on the chart. For instance, now let's click this is 24 hour. As you can see, the chart is in 24 hours. So if you click on 1 hour, you see that the chart will change. So let's click on 1 hour, but it's still the same market. But you see the look, it has changed. It does not look like the 24-hour chart again. So you have seen how to use 24-hour day. So if you click on 1 hour, it's going to show you different thing. So each time frame tells a different story. So as a beginner, stick to 2 time frame, which is 1 hour and 4 hours. So that is where to find your time frame. So if you want to search for your currency, or you want to search for any pair that you want to trade, so this is where to click. You see this search bar. This is your search bar. That is where to click. That search bar button, that toolbar button there, you click on this search bar and then you delete this one. This R25. The market you were seeing there is R25. So that is why you are seeing R25 here. So as you can see here now, we have forex, we have stock indices, we have commodities, we have derivative, we have cryptocurrencies. All these are currencies. We have the forex currency. If you click on this forex now, you will see all the forex currencies. So you have seen all the forex currency like the AUD, JPY, all of them are here. So you just scroll down, you can see many of them. Depends on the one you want to trade. So you just select the one you want to trade and you pick. You just come to your stock. You will see your stock. Those are your stock pairs. You come to commodities, that is your commodity pairs. You come to derivative, those are trade synthetics, that's your synthetics pairs. You come to cryptocurrency. That is your BTC. That is your cryptocurrency pair. So let's click on BTC. If you click on BTC now, this is BTC pair. So you don't see how BTC look like. This is the current market condition of BTC. What is going on in the BTC market. You get this is BTC USD. So you have seen it, BTC USD. So that is where to search for your type of any currency you want to trade. That is where to click and search for it. So now you can look down now you see your toolbar. This is your toolbar. All this is your toolbar. Now there are tools inside this toolbar. So for instance now, for this face toolbar now, if I click it, you can see that this button here, you click it, you will see other tools inside this trendline tools now. So you can see other tools inside this trendline tools. You can see many other tools here, but this one I start are the only one that you can make use of. You don't need all these other ones so that you don't confuse yourself. So if you just start like this, it will come up here. So you have seen this my tools that is appearing here. It's because I started, that is why it's coming up here. So these are the tools that I normally make use of to analyze the market. So you can actually start, it will come up like this and it will appear like that on your screen. So that is where to find your tools. So that is the trend line tool that is coming up there. So the work of the trend line tools is just to help you connect one level to the other, so that you know which zone is a supply level and which zone is a demand level. You get? So that is the work of the trend line tools, to connect market, to know the trend of the market, to know where market is, what market is doing. It's just tools that is used to analyze the market. So that is where to find your tools. So you click all of them. Now you can see tools inside. It depends on the one you want to use. So that is for the toolbar and where to find your tools. So that is your toolbar and where to find your tools. So if you want to do indicator, if you want to add indicator to your screen or to your charts, this is where to add your indicator. You can see here you have indicator, and this, if you want to change your candle, this is where to change. So let's click on indicator. So if you click on indicator, you will see many types of indicators. So it depends on the one you want to apply on your chart. So if you click on any of this indicator here, you will see it will come up on our chart. For instance, let's click on this one. So you have seen it has appeared. So oh, sorry for that. So it has appeared. So you have seen that indicator. Now if I want to delete it, if I come to this toolbar now, this place now, let me come to down, I will see a delete button there. So you have seen this delete button. I just scroll down, you can see a delete button. So if you click that delete button, everything that you have drawn in this chart will clear. So let's click it. So you have seen the trend line have disappeared, and also the indicator have disappeared. So if you want to change the candlestick pattern now, this candlestick, you want to change, you don't want to see candlestick, you want to see lines, depends on what you want to see on your screen. If you click here, this is where to change your candlestick. For instance, let me change it to line. So you have seen how it's looking like line. So that is it. You can actually change it to anything. So that is where to change your candlestick. If you want to change your candlestick to line, but me, I like using candlestick, so it's always candlestick that I normally put it to. So if you analyze any market, for instance, and you want to save, let's analyze this BTC market a little, and then we will save, and we will know where you are supposed on how to save candle. So let's change this thing to candlestick. Remember, as a beginner, stick to which time frame, 2 time frame, which is 4 hour and 1 hour. For instance, this was our supply level. Pay attention. This was our supply level. This was our demand, not supply. It was our last demand level. So market pull back all the way back down to that demand level. So we are expecting BTC expected to buy. So because it has gotten to this demand level. So that is actually how to work the tools, the work of the trend line tools, for you to mark and know your levels and know what market is doing. So if you, for instance, now that I've finished analyzing this market, I know my demand. If I'm to take a buy, for instance, if I want to save this trade now, this is where to save. If I'm to take a buy, for instance, now you see these tools now, these other tools, these long position tools and short position tools, is the tool that you normally use to, if you want to go in for a buy trade, you use it to to indicate your price movement and where price is going to go to. So for instance, now this is what market is doing currently. So that is the work of these other tools now. These long and short position tools, you can find it here. This is where to find the position. If you come here now, you will see it. So you start it will come up like this. So if you want to, for instance, you want to go for a short market, for instance, when market was selling from here, you can see a market was dropping down all the way down here. So this is the work of these two. So this one now is to indicate a sell to the downside. This one is to indicate a buy to the upside. So that is the work of the two. Now if you want to save it, you see where you are having save. So that is where you click. You click this save now, this chart will save. If you click the save now, you have seen it as you click the save, it's come off. Now you now write the name of the currency you want to save. For instance, this is BTC. So you will now write there BTC. It's BTC USD. You just write BTC. Even if you write BTC USD, it's still okay. BTC USD. So you now save it. So once you save it, you have said it's now there. It has saved. So you refresh it. Then if you want to, then you can go to any other pair and then you analyze. Then if you want to go back to see where that thing that you have saved, that currency you have saved and you want to go back and check what market is doing, you can actually come to this place where you have this manage layout. If you click on it, it will open, and then you click on open layout, it will open. Then this is, so you have seen it, it has opened. This is all the pairs that I've saved. BTC I've saved, this is the BTC I just saved, and this V25. And so this is where to track your self pair. So if you enjoyed the video, please give us a subscribe and give us a thumb up. If you enjoyed the video, give us a subscribe and give us a thumb up. So that is how to navigate TradingView. That is how to to use TradingView. So this video now, even if you are a beginner, with this video, with this guide, you can actually pick up your phone, go to your TradingView and do something out. So if you enjoyed the video, please give us a subscribe and give us a thumb up, please. Thank you. See you in our next video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload educational video like this for a beginner class, you always get notified. Or even if you are uploading advanced video for if somebody that want to upgrade, that want to advance, you will always get notified. So see you in our next video. One love.